Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by giving the Beats Flex a brief charge. The LED indicates readiness, so plug in for 10-20 minutes if empty. Next, power on the headset by sliding the power button, hold for 5 seconds, and put it in pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth and select Beats Flex. Once paired, confirm audio output is set to the headset. Make sure the earbuds sit correctly in your ears for stable connection and comfort. Small adjustments improve fit and soundstage immediately. Once paired, learn the controls. A single press plays or pauses, 2 quick presses skip tracks, and long press invokes voice assistant. This gives hands-free control. If you need to pair a second device, turn off Bluetooth on the first device or use the Beats app to manage multi-device connection. Make sure to remove old pairings to prevent conflicts. Adjust EQ inside the Beats or System Music app to suit bass or clarity. These tweaks matter because headphone tuning changes perception of vocals and low end. To finalize setup, check firmware in the Beats app and run updates. This ensures reliable battery life and connectivity. Keep the cable tidy using the magnetic buds to prevent wear and store the headset in a dry place. If audio drops or pairing fails, reset by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then repair. Once done, test with another device to isolate the issue. If problems persist, clean the mesh gently. Moisture or debris often mimics hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.